How to make aeroplane paper airplane. Start with a regular piece of rectangle paper. Then, fold the left half to the right. After that, fold the top two corners to the center as shown to form a triangle at the top. Then, fold the triangle down. Next, fold the bottom part up, creasing at the bottom tip of the triangle. Then, turn the paper over and fold the bottom part up again at the crease line. After that, turn the paper over. Tear or cut off the bottom part. Keep this rectangle piece because we will need it later for the tail. Then, fold the bottom point of the triangle to the center of the top edge. Next, fold the top two corners to the center. After that, keep the left and right side you just folded flat down. Then, fold the bottom point up. Unfold to reveal the crease you just made. Fold the top edge down to meet the crease you just made. Then, fold the bottom triangle back up to lock the flap in place. After that, turn the paper over. Fold the left half to the right. Then, take the rectangle piece that you cut or tore off earlier. Fold in half from bottom to top. This will be the plane's tail. Then, bring in the plane's body and rotate it counterclockwise. After that, fold the wing and tail down at about a pinkish width of the tail. Do the same thing with the other wing. And lastly, open up the wings, make sure it's still and you're ready to fly.